Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. Today we bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 Royal Enfield Thunderbird E, a groundbreaking evolution in the world of electric motorcycles. This bike is set to redefine classic cruising with modern technology, offering a seamless blend of tradition and innovation. Design and aesthetics. The Thunderbird E retains Royal Enfield's signature cruiser styling but with a futuristic twist. The bike features a retro-inspired teardrop fuel tank, although now purely aesthetic, as the powertrain is fully electric. A minimalistic LED headlamp, a digital instrument cluster, and aerodynamic bodywork give it a sleek and modern appeal. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, or rather under the frame, the Thunderbird E boasts a high-performance electric motor capable of delivering instant torque and a smooth ride. With a claimed range of around 180 km on a single charge, this cruiser is built for both city commutes and highway touring. The fast-charging battery system ensures you're back on the road in just a couple of hours. Riding comfort and features. Royal Enfield has maintained the comfortable ergonomics of the Thunderbird series, with a low-slung seat, wide handlebars, and a relaxed riding position. The suspension setup is tuned for cruising, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrains. The bike is equipped with regenerative braking, multiple riding modes, and a connected smart display for real-time battery and navigation updates. Why the Thunderbird E? The Thunderbird E is not just about sustainability, it's about redefining the cruiser experience for the modern rider. It offers zero-emission riding, effortless torque delivery, and the same road presence Royal Enfield riders love. If you're looking for a powerful yet eco-friendly cruiser, this is the bike to watch out for in 2025. Stay tuned to Bike Zone Pro for more in-depth reviews and exclusive bike content. Like, share and subscribe for the latest updates in the world of motorcycles.